morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the cloudy, grey, rainy Nürburgring. But luckily we have Joe with us, so it's actually pretty much our little sunshine, our little big
sunglasses,
yes,
just in case.
Perfect, perfect. As you can see, wearing racewear because it's race day. So we are now on our way to the paddock because in 30 minutes I have to be apparently in the car already. The big question now is which tires are we going to go on? Because it's wet, it's cold, but the Hankook wet slicks are not that great when it's just not standing water. You're just gonna overheat them and destroy them. So it might dry up in 2 laps. If it stops raining, maybe the dry line is already dry. The dry line is already dry. Maybe the ideal line is already dry. And then you just better stay on full slicks. Decisions, just like the last time. We're just gonna go to the paddock and see. As we were walking, I was wondering, why is there foam? Who was washing their car? Oh, there as well. Did you just an exciting moment? But actually there was a wedding yesterday at Lindenhof, and apparently someone left the foam machine overnight on or something. Wow. But congratulations to Leonie and Marco. That's great weather to drive those things. Fast forward into the paddock. First car we see is on full slicks. These guys are on the reins. Hello. So which tires today?
We're going slicks actually.
Yeah, us too. Okay, so we are doing wet race. This means that we would have 10 minutes to swap tires for rains, but we just keep the dries on. Hope for the best. Yay. We have 5 minutes till the start. You were saying?
Sorry, it looks like a lot of people are running slicks. Thankfully,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
The pros.
The pros.
I'll get the hairdryer out if you want.
Yeah, do that. In the car, our RN is set up, ready to go. We have our reference tear-off thingies to know which lap we're on. Good to go. Phone goes in the glove box. See you on the other side. Hopefully not on the other side of the barrier, but finish line. 0 kilometer range. Woohoo! That's racing. We need a bigger tank.
Yeah, well, tough, innit? So
0 kilometers range. Come on now.
easy.
Taking so long.
I'm Zen.
You guys, the other cars are coming.
Woo! Shout out to Tristan who bought the chocolate croissant for me. He probably wants me to be slower. All the losses and gains that I had to get the losses back on for gains for the wrong gains. But oh well. Was a good choice, huh, Slicks?
Yeah, definitely. That works well.
Yep. Well, that's it for me. Tristan is out. I'm just gonna go head back home to let Pancake out. Also say goodbye to Joe because he's leaving us. But we'll be seeing each other soon. Very soon. I need to scan my ticket out here. Danke. Happily we can also get rid of the mask because only Paddock is very dangerous. Very dangerous.
Can you not see the COVID just there?
No. It's yeah. It's they even have fire truck like when things really get lit. So funny. It is just like ridiculous because in Park Fermé you don't need it, but in the paddock or like in the pit lane you need to, and then later by the award ceremony you don't need to wear a mask. So I'm not against wearing masks. I'm against inconsistency and stupidity. That's what I have. But yeah, ooh, that's a nice wide body. And now for real, goodbye.
See you, buddy.
See you in 10 days.
Yes, see you in 10 days, man.
And you'll be here in a week or so without me.
Without you, yeah.
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 Cool.
I'll look after the place, don't worry.
Okay, do that. Have a good trip.
Thanks, mate.
Say
Thanks
hi
again.
to M Town.
I will. They say hi back.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Cheers, buddy.
See ya.
See you, mate.
Oh, there was some drift action happening. Attack.
Oh, yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you. Congrats yourself.
Yeah.
You did it on slicks, man.
Yeah. Well, you too. But it
Yeah,
was
but-
dry.
This is the track.
Yeah.
No, this is the track.
Yeah.
For real. It was like there's this piece of tarmac that you can take, and that's it. And don't try to do anything else. Hatzenbach. How was Hatzenbach?
Shit. Slippy.
Just a bit slippy?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
But how's the car setup? How you like it?
You can feel so much.
Better, huh?
It's the car just speaks my language now.
Yes.
That's
Yeah, mine too.
yeah. Oh, it was good.
Cool. Let's go get our cup. Marco, congratulations. Show me the ring. Ah.
Hey.
Yes. Nice.
Hey, now we are the married. Hey,
Ah.
we are married. Yeah. Next time, we
Like-
married with the track.
Congrats.
Thanks.
Van der Hoek, Hogenburg und Michael Charoudin.
Ja, danke.
Nee. Das stimmt mal nicht. Wir brauchen 2 Gruppensieger. Also nicht einer kriegt den kleinen und einer kriegt den großen, sondern ihr kriegt beide die gleichen.
Nee, du kriegst auch einen, genau.
Also danke dir.
Danke. Vielen lieben Dank.
Ja, Glückwunsch an die
Danke.
Gruppensieger der Klasse F5.
Woo!
Still slow though.
Yeah, I know.
Still 9th overall.
Yeah, well. And the fast forward caution door, low door frame back to apex, and we have our group and class win cup. Yes, one more visitors. Tristan already going home, flying home, dancing home. Yeah, the car is here, performed great, and in case you paid good attention, there was something different to it. Yep, and also when you look through here, let's see if you can see it through there. Yep, and on that, more in probably tomorrow's video.
Look at how stiff it is. Oh my god.
Yes, that's what she said. Woo! It's been great. The car performed amazing. You might say like, oh yeah, but you were P9 instead of P3 or P2 like last time. Well, we started on full slicks. Currently the car is on air once because it had to drive on the street. We started on full slicks in the wet. The first 2 to 3 laps were completely wet. And the cars that decided to go on the wet slicks, they had an advantage. Had we had done that, we would have been faster, maybe again, well, either P2, P3, maybe P1 overall, who knows. But the wet slicks would have been burnt up by the lap 4 and 5. And since RCN is of course good, it's a race, it's great, but since we're not racing for money, but just like for a trophy and just some check the box, would have made no sense to burn up quite an expensive set of tires just like for shits and giggles and fun.
They were gone. They were gone. Like the guys who were driving on rains and finished it on rains, you can throw them away.
Yeah,
You can throw them away.
So I think overall good decision, good result, and as mentioned previously, the car drove phenomenal.
Exciting decision.
Yeah.
Really exciting decision, because when you went out, it even started to rain some more.
Yeah.
And I mean, I had some wet first laps. You had wetter laps. But then, you know, half track after Adenauer first was dry, so that was okay, that was fun. But then when you come back over the start finish and you go into the Sabine Schmitz, you really have to change your mindset back again, because that's where it was wet all the way into Zwedenkreuz. And like, it's been a tricky race.
Yeah. But car performs amazing, and we're very excited for predictable.
That's what I would say. So if the car's predictable, you can go very fast, and that's. I won't say it was lacking predictability, but you had to, like, it depended more on you fixing or catching the car sometimes. But the car was so predictable that even when
it was very easy. It was very easy to counter steer.
Catch it, you know. So and in these conditions, that's what you want. Like for real, like.
Exactly. Well, I hope we're gonna have a full dry lap, because well, we're talking about racing, so we can't talk about lap times. I really want to see this car go sub 640, and I think it's sub 650. So 74x on a lap counter full lap. It should be possible.
On a full lap?
Yes, because we already did 754 previously, so it should be easy. Yeah.
We went sub 8 full lap, so we should be able to do so. Yesterday, come on, the skies were blue, the track was perfect, and I was like,
but that's
let's go. But yeah, I mean, it's always like that. Apparently it's called Eiffel weather. You talk about it, but the fog, I mean, you said it as well. If we did the second race that started at 2 o'clock when we were finished, what do you think? You can only
speculate. But yeah, before the next race on the 30th of October, we're still gonna have a couple of taxi laps that you can drive with it on air once, but still gonna be pretty damn fast. All right, enough talking, too much talking. So see you guys tomorrow, when we're gonna show you how we installed the KW competition suspension on it, and it was more than just installation. It was pretty exciting. So see you then, and I'll see you in a few weeks time for just fun, and after that in 4 weeks time for the race.
In 2 weeks, and then again in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
The 3-hour race of the Zwedenkreuz challenge, and that's a race.
It's a race, yes.
It's not like a time trial RCN full race battle. Real for position, rolling start.
Yeah, exciting.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Woohoo! See you then. Thanks for watching. Bye. Fancy. Almost so beautiful that you don't want to eat it, that you shouldn't be eating it. All the cheers in the world. Let's do that. Cheers.